A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPPL 2025 All-Stars here at Villar Coliseum. It's the main event of this schedule. The best of the best will battle it out. It's between the 18 other division North and South All-Stars. Now let us meet the protagonist. And now let us meet the players for the North Division All-Stars. Representing from Rizal Switch Fiber, Ashton Apico. And the North Division All-Stars is led by champion coach Mark Herrera. Ladies and gentlemen, your North Division All-Stars. Both teams, please proceed on the center court for the sportsmanship handshake.
Oh. 18-17, 1-point lead para dito sa North All-Stars. Platoon substitution for both teams.
Ooh, what a move! Ay!
Kalang nahulog para kay Chester Mariano. Player para sa Taytay. Rotate the basketball. Maga ng pupukol. Will rattle out. Mga halfway down na mga tira for both these teams. 2:43 still left. Ayaw pa rin para kay Apigo that time. Ito ni Justin Alduayan. Takbo dito ang North. Mariano bibit-bit. Maybe a bit too deep. Apigo though with a follow. (24-22), final 42 seconds dito sa ating first period. Montales. Back to Magan. Same spot. Not the same result. Another board para kay Mariano. Ahead to Apigo. Challenge by Magan. Finishes off the glass. Palitan ng lamang dito. And this time, the North All-Stars building on this 4-point advantage. Cross court. Intercepted by Demaala. Almost a counter steal. Good hustle there para kay Demaala. He pulls it back. Swing it. Chog Moral. Siya naman ang susubok. Kakalog palabas. 3-pointers not working so far para dito sa South All-Stars. So, Chio couldn't get the bounce. Sanggal lang. Napakasipag na naman. But couple of misses here for the boys from the North. He run to the other end. Humadi. Looking to bounce it to Demaala. Trying to be fancy.
Medyo di pa nagkakaintindihan eh. Siyempre,
drawing the contact. Couple of free throws. Exactly a minute left. Knocking it down. Still a big advantage para dito sa North All-Stars. 81-54. Mark Hagono, ipagpapahingain muna dito. Diretso siya sa kanyang mga supporters. Magpahinga lang.
water break lang.
Second three-pointer.
J. Montales.
Kick out. Hugan, susubok muli. But make it back-to-back. Montales. And dyan na nga matatapos ang ating third quarter with a cake para kay Ma'am Sheila and a 26-point lead para sa North All-Stars, 84-58. But just like that, game na rin tayo kaagad. Fourth period na tayo dito sa ating 18-under matchup. Tingnan natin if makakahanap pa ng kanilang offensive rhythm itong South All-Stars. Yan, Gargatlan. Able to knock down that jumper. Malaki-laki pa rin nahabol nila dito, Arjan. Pero sabi mo nga, yung pride ng mga players na to, I'm sure gusto nilang at least mapababa kung hindi man ma-overcome itong kalamangan na to.
Oo naman. Yun naman yan eh. Parang ano na yan. kumbaga, yung moral nila eh.
On our divisions from pocket to 14 to 16. Ito nga, up by 26 sa ating 18 under. Hugan once again. Alam mo, if hindi magkakaiba yung jersey dito ng North All-Stars, Arjan, ilang beses na nilang nagagawa na iparamdam sa atin as if they're one cohesive team.
Talaga, yun naman talaga yung nagiging ano nila dito.
The pressure on the backcourt from South All-Stars. Ooh, ankle breaker for Iliescas. No look. Mariano once again. Short, or was that a pass?
Nice
to
pass.
Mark Hagonoy?
It's a nice pass.
Napangiti na nga lang dito si Chester Mariano. Challenging that attempt from JB Kagurungan. Tapek. Mapupunta kay Hugan or kay Mark Hagonoy. Down the floor once again. In for 3. That's off. Another rebound para kay Mark. Double-double performance para kay Mark Hagonoy. 26 to go with 13 rebounds. Wow. Para kung ano yung stats niya sa regular ball game, parang bit-bit niya rin dito sa ating